everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the projector that I use to decorate my cookies and everything you need to set it up. So let's begin. The LED Pickup Pocket Projector is a great tool when it comes into cookie decorating. This is actually what you will find in the box, but to make it work properly, you're going to need a few extra items. To begin, I have to mention that some of the tools do not come with the projector, so I'm leaving the links to all of the items in the description of the video as well as in the comments section. So you're gonna need the Pickup Pocket Projector, a Lightning digital adapter, a high-speed mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a tripod and a camera stand clip, and the source that will project the image, either an iPad, iPhone, or laptop. I've tried to use other tripods and clips to hold the projector, but no one works better than this one. Also, this clip is one of the easiest to attach to your tripod. This tripod has a stable structure, it gives you a wide open area to work, and it has a 90-degree vertical mount, plus it's very easy to use, stores away in a drawer, and it's very inexpensive. You will find the keypad on the top with the following buttons. In the back, you will have the AV input, the audio out, and the HDMI. There are two other options to project images. One is using an SD card, and the second one is using a USB. The other port is just to charge the projector. First, you need to plug the mini HDMI plug into the HDMI slot on the projector. Next, use the AV adapter and plug the other side of the HDMI. Now plug the AV adapter pin into the iPad connector slot. Now everything is ready to start using the projector. Hold for a couple of seconds the on and off button to turn on the projector. Next, adjust the lens. Synchronize the screen using the directional keys. Look for the image you want to project. Place your cookie and rotate the image so you can start decorating. And this is it. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Remember, you can find the links to all the products on my webpage as well as in the description of the video and in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on my social networks for more inspiration. See you next time. Bye!